what we have here is a St. Louis Fan Company Louisiana Series. It's made by Winco, or at least I'm pretty sure that's the case. It is a 48-inch fan. Variable speed, reversible, cast iron motor. That's always nice. The St. Louis Fan Company basically offered, while they existed, they offered 3 models. They had the Cameo Series, which was their GE vent. I believe that was available in a few different sizes. 52, 42, and I believe also 36 inches. In fact, yes, definitely 36 inches. Alright. He had the Swirl Series, which again, 52, 42, and 36 inches. I have the 36. And the Louisiana Series, I believe, I could be wrong, I believe this one was only 48 inches. You can see it is brown and brass. There's a brass sideband, polished brass switch housing, and canopy. Anyway, on this side, you see the label. See how it performs. This is starting on low. Now you're probably thinking, okay, this is really fast for low. Right? That's because it is. The control, the variable speed control in this fan does not have a trim pot, and it looks like it's factory. So it basically means I have to replace the control with one that does have a trim pot, because this speed is, no, too fast. Basically, this thing has 2 speeds. Medium high. Let's put up a little bit. Regular high. And then full blast. And this one, like Laguna's, takes a while to get up to speed. And it does move at a very good clip, on par with Unions and other industrial-based residential spinners. Moves a pretty decent amount of air. Pitch is probably 11 or 12. So it works more off of speed, but it's still moving the air around. Single speed pull chain, of course. What's interesting about this control is, aside from the fact that it does not have a trim pot, the control is completely exposed inside the switch housing. There's no cardboard cover around it. There's no cardboard box. So, a bit sketchy when you open it and you're like, oh, what's that doing there? But all the connections look factory, so I'm pretty sure the only thing that's not original about this control is the knob. The knob for St. Louis or Winco products is usually black. This one has the knob off of an SMC Laguna for reasons. So. Now let's reverse and start from high. Unlike a lot of industrial-based residential spinners, this motor it's non-biased. It runs the same speed in updraft and downdraft. Usually there's a downdraft bias. This is one of quite a few of my fans that came out of the Adams stash. Everyone else was buying up all the Casablancas and Fascos and Emersons and all those stack motor fans, but nah. I can get those anywhere else. It's these weird imports. This one's made in Hong Kong. It's just weird Asian imports that are harder to find. So at least now I can say that I have all three members of the St. Louis family. And again, I'm pretty sure the OEM for this one is Winco. Coast one more time. Let's just say Asian cast iron weighs a lot. When you have a whole bunch of it at once, it really weighs your car down. And there you have it, a St. Louis, Louisiana Series.